Greetings, River Lady here, and it's early May, beautiful day. Still under the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, quarantine, self-quarantines, isolation, stay at home, whatever you want to call it. But the good news is my hip is feeling better and I am actually out kneeling in my garden and I am going to feed my perennials. And those of you who know me and follow my videos know that I am a Miracle-Gro girl. I like Miracle-Gro products and I use them to feed my plants. However, this year I'm going to try something new. I am going to use Espoma's flower tone plant food to feed my perennials and see if there's any difference in the blooms that I get. This is a natural plant food. You only have to use it once a month as opposed to twice a month with Miracle-Gro. I just have to work it in the soil as opposed to mixing it in water. It has an exclusive formula called Biotone, which I guess that's a wonderful thing. I don't know. We'll give it a shot. First thing you do is you work the soil, and then what I do is I add a little bit of compost. This is, I'm excited to report, is compost from my compost bin. I finally have workable compost. It's taken 2 years for this compost to get ready, but that's okay. I have beautiful compost. It has a rich aroma and it's just glorious. So I'm very excited about that. Now that we have worked that into the soil, the next thing you do is you just sprinkle the flower tone around the plant like you would adding salt and pepper to your food. If you get any plant food on the leaves, you're just going to rinse it right off. And you want to come out around the drip line. You don't need a lot. And then work that in. And that's it. It's really easy. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is just add a layer of mulch around this plant. Once I'm done with all the plants, then I will go ahead and give them a thorough watering. You do want to follow up your flower tone application with a good deep watering of the plant. Being careful, as always, not to get the leaves wet. All right, so this plant is done. So it'll be interesting to see how my flowers do this season as compared to last season. Last season was a Miracle-Gro season. This will be an Espoma flower tone season. Okay, that's it for me. I hope you stay safe. If you go out and get your hair cut and do all those glorious things that people are dying to do, please just be safe and be kind and happy gardening. Bye.